Adwendwen ama adwoa aye hahaha. Overthinking has made adwoa helpless. The sound has been underlined in the sentences. I hope you can find them. 2. Dwen edwuma no ho. Think about the work. I hope you can find the sound in the sentences. Yanko's nodo. 1. Does it yet? A metal is hard. 2. The ezibano. Eat the food. The sound has been underlined in the sentences. J. 1. Ojina jazi ho. He or she is standing in the kitchen. 2. Jano result. The fire is burning. Here too the sound has been underlined. Sh. 1. Shishenzamano. Arrange the items. 2. Ensuring my fear shren. Flowers brighten a house. Look at the sound in the words in the sentence. Sh. Asher no yet though. The sugarcane is succulent. 2. Sheshe asheshe no. Look for the mirror. The sh sound has been underlined. Ch. Akyerɛkyerɛfo kyerɛw wɔ kyerɛwpondo. Teachers write on white or chalkboards. 2. Kyekyerekyenam no ho. Wrap the fried fish. Observe the ch sound in the sentence. K. Kwan no mu yesum. The road or path is dark. 2. Akwantu mu nsɛm dɔɔso. Issues related to traveling are many. Observe the k sound in the sentences. Let's go to nya. 1. Nyamokono. Grind the pepper. 2. Nyen mbwa kakra. Rear some animals. Observe the nya sound in the sentence. Ngo. 1. Wo ho ye nwanwa. You are wonderful. 2. Nwura no si ha. The rubbish is here. Hwɛ baby a ngo sound no ɔhyɛ wɔ asɛnte obiara mu. 1. Tena dua tenten no ase. Sit under the tall tree. 2. Tie w'awofo asɛm. Listen to your parents. I hope you can find the digraph in the sentences. Churn me. Wait for me. 2. Chuchu nchense no ho. Clean the cooking utensils or dishes. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, comment, and share. God bless you. Bye.